Hi everyone, I am Avdesh God. Congratulations on making it to section 7. We have made a lot of progress so far. In this section, we will start off with an introductory session on what dashboards are, how we can work out with sheets and dashboards in Tableau. We will get familiarized with various dashboard objects such as containers, buttons, navigation, image, etc. We will be implementing the same together during the hands-on session. Together, we will be building up a dashboard to understand more about it. Thereafter, we will get to know how we can format the dashboard objects. Finally, we will get to know how to implement various type of dashboard actions in Tableau. We will cover the filter actions, URL actions, and some others as well. And in this video, we will kick off with dashboards in Tableau. Well, let's get started. Dashboards in Tableau can be utilized to present multiple views together in Tableau. This incorporates the interactive elements such as filters, dashboard actions, navigation, etc. We can create multiple dashboards based on the requirements along with the drill down and interactive features. Moreover, multiple dashboards can be connected together using navigation in Tableau. If we make any change in the underlying sheet, the same will automatically be available onto the dashboard. Let us visit a sheet in the dashboard. To open up a sheet, all we need to do is select the sheet on the dashboard. Tableau will provide us some option on that sheet. Select the second one from top to visit that sheet. Let us make some changes over here. Let us alter the color palette a little bit. If we visit the dashboard again, the changes can be seen over here as well. Anytime we can bring up a new sheet to the dashboard as and when required. We can discuss more about this during the hands-on session in the upcoming videos. Moreover, we can remove a sheet as well from the existing dashboard as and when required. To do so, select the sheet you want to remove from the dashboard. Tableau will again provide few options. Select the cross icon and the sheet will be removed from the dashboard. If we want to create a new dashboard, we can easily do that by using the New Dashboard button at the bottom bar. Moreover, if we want to delete the existing dashboard, we can do the same as well. All we need to do is click on the dashboard that we want to delete and hit delete option. In the next video, we will learn about the available dashboard objects in Tableau.